Well, this is the last day of our goal setting week, and today's subject is going to be on relationships. I think you guys have got the gist of it by now. Take your subject and what is it that you want? So, there might be a bunch of different kinds of relationships in your life, but choose one so that you can identify the certain thing that you want from that relationship because it's going to give you some clues to what's needed this year, possibly in other areas because everything's connected. So call up a certain relationship, love relationship, parents, children, coworkers, friends, it doesn't matter what it is, but call up the relationship that you most want to make a change. Even if you believe that it can't change, there's a desire in your heart for things to be different. Call up that relationship and ask yourself, what do I want? What do I want more of? What do I want less of? And how would you feel if you got more of what you wanted or less of what you didn't want? How would that relationship, how would you like that relationship to feel? So we're going to meditate on those qualities and bring them in and bring our focus to those qualities so that we can make the changes we need to and actually change our relationships to be what we want. So go ahead and get a piece of paper, even if it's just a little notepad and a pen. Just put it by the side. We're going to use that a little bit later. So you can pause it, go get a pen real quick. And then we're going to drop in and meditate. So go ahead and just get still. As usual, we're going to start off with a grounding breath. Give your brain something to do. So focus on your inhale and exhale as if you're breathing up through the soles of your feet. We're just using our imagination, get our brain out of the way. Inhale through the bottoms of your feet. Exhale through the bottoms of your feet, letting go of anything that you don't want. I'm going to start off with safety as we usually do. It's you really can't ask for a relationship to change if there's not safety. So just breathe in safety. Breathe out any fear, uncertainty, anxieties. Do a couple of breaths here just to get really grounded and connected to present time and your own feelings and your own self. Focusing on your breath in, focusing on your breath out. Now bring your focus to above. Imagine a waterfall of light from the larger part of who you are, just pouring down into your energy field, filling it up as if it's filling up a cup. Breathe in through your crown. On the exhale, blow up as if you're blowing up a balloon into your field. Breathe in through your crown chakra. The qualities or the feeling that you are longing for in this relationship. If it's love, breathe it in, connecting to the unlimited source of love from the larger part of who you are. On the exhale, blowing up as if blowing up a balloon, that love into your field, feeling it expand with every breath. If you're longing to be cherished, then breathe that in, the feeling of cherished. Feel yourself being cherished as your field is filling up with this divine quality. This is your tank that you can bring with you all day, all year. Fill it up with love, fill it up with light. If it's understanding that you want, or knowing, deeper knowing of each other or yourself in this relationship, breathe that in, breathing in the safety of understanding and knowing, and then breathe it out, filling up your field with what's needed and what's wanted. If the relationship you want to work on is a little tumultuous, then breathe in peace, or breathe in the antidote of what you need: stability, tender love, whatever it is. You have access to these qualities now. It's like you're opening up the pantry to all the divine qualities that are needed for this relationship. The pantry's full. Go pull out whatever you need. If it's forgiveness, pull it out, breathe it in. If it's more intimacy and closeness, breathe that in. And then now that you've connected to the groundness of who you are on this earth and the larger spiritual part of who you are, let's anchor it in your body. You're going to give yourself, your whole body and soul, an upgrade, breathing in up your spine, all of the love and yumminess that is in your field, breathing it up your spine, and on the exhale, radiating it out through your heart to every cell in your body, every organ, breathing up this love and this kindness to your mind, radiating out this love, this closeness, this understanding into all of your thoughts. We're anchoring these divine qualities into the who we are right now. A song that says, "Darling, if you want me to be closer to you, get closer to me." These divine qualities that we're wanting from someone else are really what's calling us to step forward within ourselves. When we become the attractor of loved, When we love ourselves, we will attract someone who will love us. When we can understand ourselves, we will attract people who will understand us. The lower self might say boo, but it actually is an inside job. And that's good news because we are the ones that can make this change. If you need to be cherished or you desire to be cherished, as calling inside of you, the call to cherish yourself, to accept yourself 100% with unconditional love. What we can attract from this place is unlimited. Now call up that relationship that you started off with. And let's breathe in and out. Breathe in the electrons of these divine qualities in our field. And on the exhale, blow this quality to that relationship, to that other person. We're embodying the peace that's in our field with the inhale. And then we're sending it out and offering it to the other person. And just notice if there's any resistance, any stories of this isn't possible. Yeah, that's not going to work. They always, she never, any statements or beliefs like that. And if they come up, jot them down. And if they don't, that's fine too. But really feel the possibility of what you want actually happening in this relationship. And just in that process, you'll be able to catch anything that's saying that it can't or that it'll be hard. You'll be able to find out exactly what's in the way. It's good news. And you'll be able to identify maybe the projections that you're holding that person in that relationship in bondage to that's keeping you from this new shift and this new qualities that you want to bring in. We are now the change that we want to make in our relationships. Just offer it. Now, with this divine exchange, take those qualities that were calling you and send them to all of your relationships. See them upgrade your friends, your family, your coworkers, your parents, your children, your siblings, or your neighbors. Feel the connectedness. Now send those qualities that you had to your finances, to your bank account. What if there was peace, stability, understanding in the finances? Maybe that's what your finances are calling for. Maybe they're calling for gratitude, appreciation, whatever those qualities were that you came up with. Now send these qualities to your health, sending that peace, understanding, even the cherished. Everything serves. And then send this to your community, whatever came up in yesterday's meditation. So now you can open your eyes and come to the present time. Well, this process, this goal setting process, is what we're going to be doing on a much more conscious and in depth level at the Activated Goal Setting Workshop, January 13th, 20th, and 27th. If you want to join us, I'm going to show you some energetic tools that will take those things on your list of yeah buts, are they always, those programs that we're projecting onto others and keeping them in bondage to our stories, because that's literally the way the universe works. And we're just going to delete them out of your field. It's actually wonderful tools that are really a game changer when you want to make a change in your life. So I'll leave information about the goal setting in the show notes, whether you come or not. Just know that the qualities that you are looking for in that relationship are the qualities that are being called for. So know that you've got a field, an energy field full of this quality today. Offer it everywhere you go. And if you forget who you are, because those qualities are who you are, just breathe in, take a breath, remember who you are. Subscribe, comment, like, all the things if you want to see another video tomorrow. Happy goal setting.